So hello friends, myself Home and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Home. Today I will tell you the specifications of Realme X7 Pro. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of Realme X7 Pro are MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus 64 megapixel rear camera, 32 megapixel front camera, 65 watt fast charging, 6.55 inches Full HD plus Super AMOLED display, 120Hz fast refresh rate, 4500 mAh battery, Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 10. This is the setup of the camera of Realme X7 Pro. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Realme X7 Pro. There are 3 color variants of Realme X7 Pro: blue color, white color and rainbow color. There are 3 storage variants of Realme X7 Pro: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. This is the front side of Realme X7 Pro. This is the back side of Realme X7 Pro. The launch date of Realme X7 Pro is on 4th February 12:30 PM. In my opinion, the expected price of Realme X7 Pro should be below 25,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.